So stay with me. You would love Dr. Pamela. Thank you for joining me. Thank you for your comments and your likes. It's helped me bring information to you. So continue to hit that notification button so that I can bring more information that's going to really help you understand about connecting better relationship, because that's what it's about. My goal is to help you get transformation and strategies. I've been doing this now for over probably 15 years. And what I do, I help men and women find love, get love, keep love, enhance it. And that's why I'm known as the Love Doctor. I am a certified, educated loveologist, and I help you understand how to connect with someone that you're seeking to continue to have a successful relationship. Okay? So thank you for joining me. So let's get right into this. The whole thing of why I'm talking about the lack of emotional accountability is that if you are the person who don't know how to really connect with someone on the basis of the emotions. And here's what's happening. You're defensive about how you feel. You fear about what you believe that person need to know about how you feel. You see where I'm going? And what's happening is, because of that, when you don't give a person self, you blame them. So when you're in that type of protection mode, you're protecting your emotions. You're protecting even satisfying or connecting with someone else within a relationship. You see where I'm going? Because what's happening is you're not emotionally available. And that means I'm not sure if I want this relationship. I'm not sure if I really want to get to know you. I'm not sure if I'm ready to settle down. I'm not sure if I want to stay in this relationship. I'm not sure if I want to stay married. You see where I'm going? Because you feel like you are not the issue. You're not the problem. You're not the cause. And what's happening is you're not connecting with that person and being accountable for the lack of emotions that you should have within a relationship. Hello? Because here's the thing, people. You have to be able to have a connection with somebody you like or desire or have an interest in. I get it. We're living in a world where we're trying to survive, figuring out what we want to do, how we're going to pay this bill, how we're going to work on a project, how we're going to relieve our stress. I get it. And so what happens is you just feel like I need to just deal with self. And you get caught up in your world that you don't end up giving emotional connection. That you end up in relationships that are the same, or that you are in a relationship that is the same thing. You go and come into a relationship believing that this person has to fulfill the emotions because you're not available. And you don't have accountability to how that person feels because it's their fault. Because in other words, you should be understanding about what I'm going through. You should be understanding about what I have to do. You should be understanding. You should be understanding. You see where I'm going? Here's my thing. You have to own your role without having to look for someone to get you to feel that emotion. Meaning, you have to get into a place where there's no self-judgment for you or that person. Because the emotions that you're not giving and the emotion that is lacking, or the person that you have in your life who's not giving you the emotions, is that you're sitting there seeking and waiting for someone to fulfill what you should already have with somebody that you have brought into your life or that you are in their life. And then meaning, if you're in a relationship and that person is not having a conversation to where you have understanding of how we're going to connect and how we're going to grow and be better and do better, they're in their own world. That's pretty much what's happening. And what happens sometimes when you're, and I'm going to talk about the ones who are in relationships or who are married, that person withdraws. They don't no longer want to give you their emotions because they don't want to deal with conflicts, or they don't have to want to explain why they are not available for you.